Before you click any link promising a free $100 Starbucks gift card, you need to hear this because a website called starbs100.com has been appearing everywhere, and its claims sound almost too good to be true. The platform says you can get a $100 Starbucks card just for completing a short survey. But once we started digging into the details, several red flags appeared that make the offer far less straightforward than it seems. The domain history is surprisingly new, with almost no established presence, which is unusual for a site claiming to run large gift card promotions. The use of Starbucks branding also raises questions, because there's no clear proof of any official affiliation, and Starbucks' actual promotional pages do not list this website as an authorized partner. Transparency becomes another concern when you notice the lack of proper contact information. No support email, no business address, and no terms that clearly explain how user data is handled. While testing the site, there were moments where it redirected to unrelated promotional pages, something commonly seen in low-quality reward funnels rather than legitimate corporate campaigns. When looking at user experiences, many people online report that they never received a gift card at all, while others mention being asked to provide unnecessary personal information in exchange for something advertised as quick and free. These patterns don't automatically prove the website is a scam, but they definitely show it doesn't offer the level of credibility, transparency, or authenticity a real Starbucks giveaway would provide. So if you're considering trying starbs100.com, it's worth thinking twice, staying cautious, and protecting your personal information before getting pulled in by an offer that may be more hype than reality.